Hello, hello. Hey guys, sorry I had a meeting, man. It just ran a bit over. It ran a bit over. Apologies for the same. Did you guys get notification? No notification today. Yeah, even I didn't get a notification. Usually, even I get a notification. But apologies. No, I had a meeting, man. That was just going on and on. Sometimes you have a meeting and it never ends. That's exactly what happened. Okay, 1 second. Elon Musk says you cheated me yesterday. Why, bro? What did I do? What did I do to cheat you, man? ऐसा क्या cheating ba? What is this cheating you're talking about? I don't cheat peoples. No, no, no. Yeah, yesterday was 4 p.m. session. But dude, whenever I change my session, by the way, for all the people, whenever I change the session, I update it. Right? That's the only time I actually put an event card when I change the session. Even yesterday, for all the people who have clicked on join community, whenever I put an update, people get notified, by the way, right? So who all have clicked join community, I set up an event card saying that I'm going to do it at 4 and my entire community gets it, right? So I don't know how you guys missed it, but everyone else was there. So I think only a few guys missed it, and I really don't know how that happened, right? But again, it pays to be a part and know what's happening. But every time I change the slot, I always update. Okay, so just giving it out there. Okay, awesome. We'll just wait for one more minute and then start, okay? By the way, today was a very predictable day in the market, don't you think? Was today a predictable day in the market? Why am I saying today is a predictable day in the market? The main reason why I'm saying this major this predictable market is because yesterday obviously it went down. So when it goes down, yesterday obviously it went up a lot. It has been rallying from quite a few days. So whenever something like that goes up too much, it has to go down as well. As I told you, what goes up must come down. What comes down must go up. Unless you're in the long term, right? In the long term, everything has to go up only. Sabko upar jana hai, right? By the way, RBI just came out today and said something at 3:57 p.m. Do you guys see that article? RBI came and said that it is a great concern. Cryptocurrencies are a great concern to our economy. He's like reiterated his concerns over cryptocurrency, clarifying its stance on digital assets just days after the regulators told bank to set aside a ban on trading. So that is happening, guys. Uh, there is no change in RBI's position, said the RBI governor, with respect to cryptocurrency. Okay, so that is something that is happening. Okay, now another thing, right? 1 second, let me see what happened here. Burger King went up 5% today. Did you guys see that? Burger King went up by 5% today. Burger King apparently is given very good guidelines that in the future the gross margin of 66% in FY22 and by FY24 they'll have really good margins at 68% in FY24. Now obviously what happens, guys, whenever someone's margins go up, what happens? The business is going to do well, your EPS is going to do well. Your EPS does well means everything will do well, right? So basically, whenever the margins of a company goes up, you can predict or expect that the stock to go up as well. And it depends, right? This is just a guidance that has been given. This is a guidance. It's not something in reality, right? It can happen, cannot happen. We don't know. हो सकता है नहीं भी हो सकता है. We still don't know what that scene is. But it is still a guidance. So Burger King has gone up by 5%. Yes, I saw today there was some issue with Zerodha. I don't know exactly what happened, but it was related to some average buy price video. Um, trending wala notification is pakka not going out happened. No, so I'll tell you what, the notification goes out if it's more than 30 people, or 30, yeah, if it's more than 30 people it goes out to your community, and if you're more than 80 people it gives a global notification trigger, right? So if you're actually trending over 80 people, everyone in the app will know, right? This was done to reduce the notifications a little bit because a lot of people were complaining that too many notification was happening. So you can notify your people if you hit a more than 30. So that's basically how it's currently working right now. Understood? Understood. Okay. Yeah, Zero का कुछ सीन हुआ था सुबह को. Did you guys see that? I got a lot of messages. Did you guys see the average buy price का कुछ issue हुआ था सुबह सुबह को? But again, I don't think, was it a big issue? I don't think it's a big issue. Again, I don't know. We'll have to see whether it was a big issue or not. But apart from that, I don't think it's a that big of an issue, right? So it's still okay. What is this? YIAPL secures. What is YIAPL? Jewar Airport likely to cater to 12 million passengers once the first phase is completed. Where is Jewar? What is this place? I've never heard of. They got a 3007. Oh, Jewar Yamuna International Airport. I don't know where Jewar is, guys. Do you guys know? I've not gone to that part of the city right now, or the state right now, as of now. So yeah, Jewar Airport, Noida. A lot of people are saying Noida. They just got a massive loan from SBI, by the way. A massive loan from SBI. They've got a 3,725 crores ka loan. Right, that's quite big from SBI Bank. Obviously, SBI is the only one that keeps giving loan to everybody, because SBI has this beautiful policy ki hum saath saath hai, and country number one, we are number two kind of a thing. So always that happens with respect to SBI. SBI has always been the favorite person who gives loans to all the big people, right? Mad money. That's a lot of money, guys. Okay. What else is that? What is this news, man? Man threatens to kill Modi, sent to jail. Arrested in Northeast Delhi. Man threatened to kill Modi, arrested in Northeast Delhi. What? I mean, people have got arrested for other reasons also, so it's fine. Uh, okay, this is quite interesting. RBI keeps the repo rate unchanged, so that is okay. I mean, that's fine. It's like a tap. Anyway, they keep going, putting the tap open and closed. Sonu sued. Sonu sued. Along with railway police, set up oxygen center at Mangalore station. Bro, the Sonu sued is there everywhere, bro. Her jageh, her jageh. He's literally. I thought first he was in Maharashtra sending people back, then he was sending someone else back. Now he's in Mangalore station doing something else. He's doing something in Bangalore also. OP, man. I don't know whether there's a lot of rumors that it might be political money that is actually helping him do this. But again, who are we to judge? It is just rumors around the mill, right? So we don't know that. Madness, bro. This is crazy. करेगा क्या इतना पैसे का? Okay. uh, what else? Tata Motors. Tata Motors raises 3,100 crore, okay, via bonds to remove debt. Okay, now I want to ask you guys one question. Okay, let me tell you the entire news article again. Tata Motors raises 3,150 crores to parry debt. Okay, what does this mean, boys? Can someone tell me what is the meaning and what is the implication of this particular meaning? Can someone tell me? What have they done? Yeah, yeah. Smart guys, smart guys. Yes, yes. Okay, so for all the people who are unaware of something like this, basically what they have done is they have just taken loan, okay, to clear another loan. So in put in simple terms, it's basically when you have one credit card and you pay off the other credit card with another credit card just to buy you another 30 days extra. Yes, you know that. So same thing Tata Motors is doing. They're taking more loan to pay the current loan, okay, so that they can extend this loan. But currently, the company has borrowed funds at a coupon rate of 4.35%. Okay, there is 425 million to refinance some of the existing debt, especially in the units of Jaguar Land Rover, and to meet expenses. Um, and also, if you guys remember, the main guy of Tata Motors at once had come and said that they want to become, what do they want to become? Net debt zero. Remember? This is like Inception, but yeah, with debt. It's Deception. It's like debt ke andar, debt ke andar, debt ke andar, debt. Right? It's a never-ending track that keeps on going inside, and finally one day, I mean, you have to eventually end up paying it. But this is exactly also, who does? Guess who's the best person to do debt ke andar, debt ke andar, debt? Right? USA, United States of America. Right? They do this all the time. Debt ke andar, debt. Right? They keep doing that. How do they keep doing that? Why do you feel USA is a person who keeps doing debt ke andar, debt? Because they keep bloody borrowing, man. They're constantly just borrowing, 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 borrowing. And when they're done with borrowing, they borrow again, right? Why? To help other people also. Very sweet people. They keep borrowing from everyone and giving back interest. But they never give the actual money back. That's the best part. They keep borrowing, saying that they'll give the money back, but then they take another money from someone else and give the money back there. So it is a beautiful game of borrowing, borrowing, borrowing. That's deception, as someone said it, as Jotwa said it, right? Awesome. Where do they borrow from? They borrow from other rich countries, mainly China. Actually, China is the one who gives everyone money. They're like this bank that keeps on giving, and the inflation that keeps on increasing. Either way, what else? So, Arvind Kejriwal came in the news recently and said that he's finally expediting the vaccines and he's giving a lot of vaccines. Yeah, you saw that. So now what is happening? Remember, there was a point where there was no vaccines in Delhi at all, and people were struggling, suffering, everything bad was going on. Right now, suddenly a lot of vaccines have come out to everyone in the state of Delhi. Now everyone, both Congress and BJP, are coming and saying that what Arvind Kejriwal did was he hoarded all the vaccines. He already had it before, but he was just hoarding it. He didn't want to give it to anyone, and now he gave it to everyone. मतलब ये एंगल भी चालू है मतलब दिस इज समटाइम्स नो आई जस्ट लव पॉलिटिक्स ओके समटाइम्स इट्स रियली गुड लाइक he's a holder yes it's like you're holding Dogecoin and then not giving it off so sometimes I love looking at politics not obviously being in politics but I love looking at politics where अगर इंसान सच्चे दिल से भी अगर he's getting the vaccines and giving it back maybe that time he didn't have vaccines okay to be honest but people be like, nah, no, I think he had vaccines all the time and he was just hiding it and now he's just revealing it and he's come as a savior and, whatever. It's so weird, man. Sometimes I don't understand only what happens in this world of like who's right, who's wrong. I mean, anything you do is wrong. That's basically how politics is, right? Kuch bhi karo wrong hai. And the worst part is people are only looking at bad things, right? I remember this one thing where in Bangalore also there's this MP called Tejasvi Surya who had done like in Bangalore the bed situation was pathetic. Okay, like it was horrible. Okay, but then he went and read out some article which had some people's names right of a particular caste. The entire thing of him doing such good effort, okay, went completely down the drain, and the entire news was why you took those people's name right? Not because of okay, you know what, this is going to be something good for the economy. No, who cares about all that? It tailored more into the other segment, so it was quite sad. Okay. What else? Okay, nothing interesting, nothing interesting, nothing interesting here. Burger King went up by 5%, so that is interesting. What else? RBI keeps rates unchanged. I mean, obviously, Pfizer vaccine finally has got approved for children aged 12 to 15 by UK, by the way. Huh? And also, apparently, a lot of people are buying a lot of small cap and mid cap companies. Can you guess why? A lot of people are buying small cap and mid cap companies for some reason. Again, small cap mid cap companies is basically is it good for the economy, bad for the economy, that we don't know. Okay, but we will figure out quite soon whether small cap or mid cap is good. But basically there is a trend that is happening in the ecosystem. Okay, what is this trend? That it is definitely rising. A lot of people are buying small cap and mid cap for the hope that they will become the next. So whenever the country is growing, no guys, okay, whenever the country is becoming rich, let's call it rich. Whenever the country is becoming rich, you will see mid caps doing really well, some small caps doing really well. Why? Because the GDP is going up, boosting the economy. What's up? The same thing, right? Falana dimkana kind of a things. So when such things happen and the economy is getting boosted, everyone will do well. Now, when everyone's doing well, the large cap people are already doing well. उन लोग को कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. But the mid cap and the small cap people, they are the ones who will do really well. So you have to keep focusing on that. समझे? मल्टी बैगर के होप में, yes. Royal Enfield will have the highest number of launches in FY22. Oh my god. So for all the Royal Enfield fans, they will have the highest number of launches. Right? It's going to be crazy. Crazy. Okay, और क्या है? I heard Vivo, not Vivo, which was at some phone company, Lava, I think, if I'm not wrong. Lava is planning to come with an IPO, I heard. Right? Very weird. Lava is coming. Also, another news that who's this guy? Mayoshi-san. Right? You know, guys know Mayoshi-san? Who's Mayoshi-san? People don't know Mayoshi-san? Not a YouTuber, man. Come on. I mean, YouTuber. No, no, he's the SoftBank guy, dude, who got criticized like hell for backing WeWork so much, and then WeWork, screwed everyone quite literally. Like Mayoshi's son was the famous guy who created which fund is that? Who created that big fund, the tech fund, right? The billion-dollar fund. So he created that, this Mayoshi Son guy, and now by the way, Mayoshi Son was a very big investor in this company called Flipkart, and then he sold it when it went to Walmart. Do you guys remember that? No? Yes? No? Okay. So for all the people who don't know that, Mayoshi Son, or Mayoshi Son as it's called, is reinvesting again, boss, into Flipkart. They had eventually earlier sold it, but now what is happening is Flipkart recently came and said something, right, that they want to go IPO. Right? Flipkart wants to go IPO. Now when someone wants to go IPO, मतलब क्या है, इंडिया में क्या होता है, especially पैसा ही पैसा, lot of money. Okay, lot of people get very, what do you call that, over excited when it comes to an IPO. They're like, awesome, IPO हो रहा है, मतलब we should be a part of the IPO. And Indians, तो Flipkart तो अपना ही है, मतलब he is my friend only, right? And they all start buying this IPO without thinking twice, without looking at the fundamentals. So Mayoshi-san has realized that this is a beautiful opportunity for my fund to do really well. So let us just invest in this, and they're coming to invest back in Flipkart. Now is Flipkart good? I don't know. But is Mayoshi-san doing it for listing gains? Obviously they're doing it for listing gains. वो भी ये valuation पे after getting an exit, why would you come back? Right? So it's not only people like me and you playing listing games. बड़े बड़े लोग भी playing listing games, right? Flipkart is currently valued at $30 billion. Okay, $30 billion पे भी लिस्टिंग गेम्स दे वांट टू प्ले. कैन यू बिलीव? मतलब लिस्ट होगा तो भी कितना प्रीमियम पे होगा? 30 billion to 40 billion, 30% gains, but 30% gains for them also is like, oh my god, this is crazy, and etc, etc, etc. So that's how it works, right? So even Mayoshi-san is playing the game of listing gains. Who are we to judge? As we keep saying, right? हम कौन है judge करने वाले? Let them play whatever game we want. We have to just watch how it plays out, and we have to see whether we can take advantage. Huh? That is the game that we have to play. Can we take advantage? Yes or no? If we can't take advantage, we are sad. Okay, so always think about it from that perspective. Do they have lock-in for big people? It depends on them. Yeah, it depends on how they structure it. So till now, let me tell you the shareholding structure of. By the way, let me tell you the shareholding structure for all the people who are interested in this. 77% is owned by Walmart. Okay, 77% owned by Walmart. Okay, understood that? ESOP pool is 5%. Okay, 80% over. ESOP pool is 5%, 80% over. Tencent has 5%, 85% over. Tiger Global has 5%, 90% over. Okay, 90% over. Now, Microsoft has 1.5%. I didn't even know Microsoft had stake in Flipkart. Tencent has 5%, guys. Microsoft has 1.4. Qatar Investment Authority has 1.4. Axel has 1.4. And Binny Bansal, the founder, has 3.5%. Who's the founder of the company? They should just remove Flipkart and make it Walmart, Walcart or something like that, right? Because Bansal is no more the promoter. It's over. It's finished. Bansal still has 3.5% stake. Might be running it, but he's not running it. Basically, do you guys know who's running Flipkart right now? Do you guys know who's running Flipkart right now? No, not Walmart. I'm saying who's the CEO of Flipkart right now? Come on, guys. Who's the CEO of Flipkart? Kalyan Krishnamurthy. Have you guys heard of Kalyan Krishnamurthy? Yeah, so Kalyan Krishnamurthy is the owner of CEO, not owner, obviously CEO of Flipkart. He's also an investor in this amazing startup called Avalon Scenes. Putting a slight plug there, and also this company has raised from Kunal Shah, also very famous. Um, so yeah, all this is happening at the same time. So for all the people who don't know, you should definitely check out this app. It's damn good. Okay, awesome. So now let's take a few questions from the audience. Okay, let's take a few questions from the audience. Awesome. Request to speak, peoples. कि ले लिया मैंने थोड़े बहुत लोगों को. What is that static background noise? Go ahead, guys. Hello. Like,
Hello?
oh my God. Someone's inside the car. Who's this? Who's inside the car? Somebody's inside the car. I'm very good with sounds like this. Okay, guys. Anyone? Go ahead. First question. Anish, I think you should come and help me. Mr.
Good evening,
Anish.
sir.
Hello. Good. Are you in the car?
No, I'm
Hey,
in my
Sasank, sorry, it's me in the car, Neeraj.
Oh, Neeraj. How are you in the car in the lockdown? Please give us the secret, bro.
I'm out of India, sorry.
Okay. Please tell me how you got the access to the app if you're out of India.
I didn't know somehow I got available. It was in my app store. I'm on iOS.
Oh wow! How do you bypass OTP? Do you have an Indian phone? Indian number?
No, I never got an ADV.
Oh, you did sign in from Apple. Okay, fine, fine. Makes
Yes,
sense.
yes.
Dude, I didn't even know this. Thanks for informing. I just realized we have gone global. Thank you.
Congrats on that.
Thank you, Neeraj. Now you can sit in the car, bro. No issues. Now you have made me happy. You can do what you want. Enjoy.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay, someone was asking me a question.
yeah.
Devanji. How do I
Yeah,
pronounce
it's Deep Journey.
it? Oh,
yeah.
shit.
Uh,
Alright, go ahead.
okay, no problem. Yeah, so I just wanted to ask about the monetary policy. What's your view on that? Like,
I
it has
haven't read it completely. I haven't read it completely yet, to be honest.
like
I told you now I
more.
had static meetings. I couldn't read
Hmm,
it. No,
okay,
but see, they not changed the repo rate, so that means nothing's changed. Basically, nothing's changed.
but inflation is at its peak
Inflation is
now.
screwed anyway.
Like,
That you can't do anything. Yeah, yeah, inflation's screwed.
so the disposable income will increase and like prices will rise more. So in the like long term, what effect can we see? Like there can be problem now
Oh,
because of the inflation.
110% there will be problem. There can be problem. There will always be a problem when inflation is up like this. Yeah, so it is
Yes.
definitely bad as you're asking me that question that inflation is up. Yes, inflation is up. It is very, 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 very bad. But what can you do? You can't do anything. Slowly they'll try reducing it. Now what is happening is see, it's a very typical cycle, right? You know what the cycle is? This cycle, what you're seeing right
Yeah,
now,
they will
has
draw
happened.
back the money by increasing the taxes like in the coming
No, they won't
years.
increase taxes. I don't think they'll increase taxes.
गवर्नमेंट
Because
सिक्योरिटीज भी लाइक परचेज हो रहा है
no,
तो
I'll tell you how
that
they.
because of hmm,
Hmm, hmm. I'll tell you how they remove liquidity in the market. By the way, if you don't know, right?
yeah,
Basically,
yeah,
they'll
go
change
ahead.
the rate. They'll change the rate in a way where the savings become savings deposit. If you keep it there, they'll give you 7%, 6.5%, 7%, right? Which will incentivize you to keep your money in your bank account for a long period of time. You get it? They change the rate sometimes like that. Sometimes they tell you that interest rates will be 3 4%. Now, if it's 3 4%, you'll be like, dude, why do I even need to put it in the savings account. 3-4% में तो inflation भी cover नहीं होता. Right? Some days, some months they'll be like, no, 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 what is 3-4%? We'll give you 7% if you keep it in the savings account. That way, all the average Indians will keep their money in their savings account, and that's when they boost savings and remove liquidity from the market. It's like a tap. That's what I keep telling a lot of
And
people. It's a tap.
what's your opinion about the disinvestment plans? Like government has latest come up with the 10 PSU banks to be
Yeah.
privatized or OFS to be done. For that reason, also the market, like the liquidity, how will it affect
No, I
because
think
of the
this
war?
what they're doing right now, which is with respect to the disinvestment, not only in banks but in most of the sectors that they're doing. No, I think it's good, and I feel it's bloody high time they did this. Okay, because if you look at all the banks that they owned, all the companies that they owned, which was under the government rule, right, except railways, which railways also was quite bad before it became good in an era. But if you look at all the investments that they have, everything's bad. Can you tell me one investment that's done well, right? All your banks, PNB Bank, really bad.
Like
Air India,
privatization से efficiency ज्यादा होता है ना, तो that's the only
privatization से
reason I
private
feel.
player comes in who are looking at profit with good business models and running it very efficiently to make profit very well. Government never looks at making a profit, never aims at making a profit. Government
Yeah,
just
it's
wants
the
to
major target welfare
facilitate
now.
some. Yeah, it's more about a public welfare kind of. They don't want to make a profit kind of a thing. So that is what's happening. Now, high time they're doing this because it was definitely the need of the hour, man. Or else we were all struggling, right? The entire, all the PSU banks, all the, even leave PSU banks, even if you catch all the other banks or even Air India, see how they're struggling, dude. Left, right, center, they're struggling. Correct. So it's high time. So, and it's a very good sign, by the way, for them to do this. It's very, very, very good. Most countries are already adopting it. Most countries are already doing it. So it's high time India did it, and it's good that they're doing it.
Yes, definitely. So that's it. Like that's all from my side. Thank you.
Some, who was this? Debjani. Thank God.
Debjani. You can call
Thank you.
Debu. It's a short name. Okay.
Debu and all. If I call, my wife will hit me. Okay, I'll call it Debjani only. Thank you.
Okay, Debjani.
मर जाएगा मैं. I'll be talking on scenes from outside. He won't even know I'm on scenes. I'll be like, Debu, how are you? And she'll come and hit me with one, that Balin, no? Fucked, I'll get on the back. So not required. Either scene हो जाएगा. Okay, go ahead, guys.
Hello, Shashank.
मर्द को
My
भी दर्द होता है. Yes. Go
can
ahead,
you
go
hear
ahead.
me?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm from Mumbai and I am currently doing BFM, Bachelor's in Financial Markets. So I'm in my third year and I wanted to pursue investment banking. So, what was your roadmap when you became an investment banker?
What was my roadmap? Nothing. I
Like,
finished my masters. I applied for jobs. I got rejected for 3 months, and in the fourth month, I got a job as an investment banker. There was no roadmap. I just did undergraduation in finance. I did post graduation in management, not even finance. But the reason why I got selected is because my market knowledge was amazing.
okay, so basically, if I have to get a good chance at matlab getting a job in it, so basically, I need to have a good market knowledge and what else?
Mainly market knowledge, good college, and good scores just to get you in the door.
Okay, got it, got it.
Okay.
Thank
Hello,
you, sir.
Shashank.
Who was that, by the way?
Aditya. God.
Okay,
Hello,
Aditya.
Shashank.
Awesome. Yeah. Hi, man. Who's this? You have to tell the name.
Vansh. My name is Vansh.
Yeah. Hi, Vansh.
Okay, well, I'm 18 years old, so I don't have any earning money, but I want to invest in stock market. So, to build portfolio, I should accumulate stock of one company or different company by purchasing one stock each month.
You can do it in different companies. Always good to have diversified portfolio, Vansh. Never put in just one. Keep it at least 5 to 10 stocks, I would say.
But these stock of good companies are so expensive, like it range between 500 to 1000, and I am not earning right now, so I can invest only 500 rupees. So in a month I
Then
only
I
get
would
one stock.
say do something, buy ETF, right? On small case, that is the top 100 you can buy, or just buy the Nifty ETF. That would be much better for you.
Okay. Okay, one more question. Can you tell me about the intrinsic value? Because I searched a lot on the internet, but I didn't get any accurate video on that.
Anish, you want to go for this?
No, Shashank, even I want to know from you.
No, also I keep telling this to a lot of people that the intrinsic value, real value, yes, sir, it is just an indicator. There's no such thing as a real value or an intrinsic value, right? Because who decides what is real and what is wrong? So intrinsic value comes out with a lot of things. I'll tell you what, intrinsic value is calculated with a lot of factors such as debt, net worth of the company, cash flow of the company, and what is the actual real net worth of the company today by by looking at only financials, right? Balance sheet, profit and loss, cash flow. It does not take into the account, okay, intrinsic value does not take into the account the future prospective growth of the industry or the company. That is why if you see a lot of people are in the market, when they're trading, right, or a lot of companies that are trading at a premium, is because the market decides the premium. Now how much premium, nobody knows. The market decides depending on how, whether it's good or how, whether it's bad. So that's how it usually works. So intrinsic value is a value of the company, the true value of a company, by only looking at their fundamentals, right, and financials, not looking at the sector as a whole or the premium of the company as a whole. Okay.
Okay, if the intrinsic value of a company is very low as compared to the stock price, should we buy it or not?
Again, intrinsic value is not a true indicator of whether you should buy the company or not. Ideally, it is always good to look at how the PE is compared to the industrial PE, okay, price to earning ratio compared to industrial price to earning ratio. And doesn't mean if it's high, that means it is overvalued. It might be high because it is a good company. And second, you need to see whether that company is the industry leader. Is it a good company? Does that have scope in the future? A lot of things to look at. Intrinsic value won't tell you anything.
Okay, thank you, Shashank.
Yeah. Awesome. Next. Thank you, Vansh.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, who's this?
Yeah, hi Shashank, Rakesh here.
What's up, Rakesh?
Nothing much, just working. So I just wanted to know your thoughts on the decline of Amara Raja batteries as of now. Like since the past 2 weeks, it has been on a constant decline. So
Uh,
should we like average it out? Like some company like Clarios, like they sold around 1.71 crore shares.
Correct.
So since then, it is on a decline. So I just wanted to hear your thoughts on it.
Has it changed fundamentally?
I don't think so. No.
Um, it won't fall 40% if it hasn't changed fundamentally.
Okay.
I think
So
there
what's
was
the
some
fundamental
re-rating
change
by
there?
some big agencies or something. I'm not sure, but need to check.
Sorry, sorry.
Sorry.
There was some re-rating by these agencies, so that could be one of the factors. Re-rating of the stock.
Yeah, but it's quite a big re-rating, man. If you think about it, ICICI Direct said 700, I think. That's why. But still, it's a big fall. The reason why I think it is not a good, not why it might be falling, maybe one of the reasons, because everyone wanted to buy Amar Raja for a very particular reason. Do you guys know what that reason was?
The biggest
Heat,
leader
Electric
in
right?
vehicle,
making like batteries,
investing
no?
Electricity,
in
maybe.
lithium ion battery. So they apparently when their Q4 results came out a week ago, they said they have not done any investment in lithium ion technology, which puts them really on the back foot compared to all the other battery players that are heavily investing. Got it?
Yeah. Well, thank you.
Yeah.
Hi Sushant, Manav this side.
Hey Mano. Yes.
Pleasure to connected you. You are my mentor. Sir, I
Thank you,
have
Manav.
sir, I have two sides. First in secondary market, I have questions, and second side of my crypto market. Uh, like, can I
क्या?
ask? मतलब मेरे दो
Ask me question
दो
directly.
क्वेश्चन। अच्छा, ओके सर। ये हुआ ब्लैक स्टोन का एक्विजिशन हुआ है। ब्लैक स्टोन एक्वायर्स अबाउट 1.3 बिलियन इंटरनेशनल डाटा ग्रुप। व्हाट योर टेक ऑन अबाउट ब्लैक स्टोन?
Which company? Blackstone acquired?
Acquires media from international data group from 1.3 billions.
1 second. Where?
Black
Interior Logic Group, right?
yeah. IDG.
Okay. So what do you want me to tell in this?
मतलब like what's your take on मतलब उसका next move? The what's they are always they are a hedge group fund and they hedge their position private equity है वैसे। तो आपका क्या मतलब उस पे पॉइंट क्या है कि जो इन्होंने आईडीजी के बारे में
I'll
पहले
tell
ही
you how Blackstone works firstly. Okay, Blackstone is a company that is a buyout PE. Okay, it is a buyout fund. Even with emphasis, they have done the same thing. They're a buyout fund. They don't invest and chill. They buy out companies, right? They buy out. What they
Okay.
basically do is they find good companies that are damn good, but maybe struggling for some reason. They buy out that entire company. They rechange their entire structure of the company. They make it look better, little, beautify it, get some nice person to run it. What's up, karenge? And after they do all that, okay, once they beautify it into a beautiful manner, they go and either IPO it or sell it to some other fund. That's basically what they do.
हाँ, तो इन्होंने जो मतलब मेरा भी यही क्वेश्चन था कि जो इन्होंने अब ये इसको मर्जर किया मतलब एक्वायर किया, तो क्या इसका आगे मतलब इंटरनेशनल डाटा ग्रुप का भी ये आईपीओ निकालने की ट्राई कर सकते हैं?
Possible,
मेरा
no,
ये
possible. Maybe, I don't know how they run it, but possible. They are known to do all this in the past. How else will they get exit? Or they'll just make a lot of money and cash flow. They've not exited so many companies. They've just kept cash flow in those companies. So possibly, I don't know. If I was working there, I would definitely know. But looking at their past trend, right? Looking at their past trend, they either usually just make a lot of money or they definitely sell it, as you mentioned. So we don't know, man. To be honest, that's my answer.
ओके। और मेरा एक और क्वेश्चन था, जैसे जो भी प्राइवेट इक्विटीज होती हैं बड़ी बड़ी, उनके लिए उनमें घुसने के लिए क्या हमें पहले इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग में जॉब करना जरूरी है? इट इज मैंडेटरी टू वर्क
100%.
विद इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंक? ओके।
100%.
सेकेंडरी मार्केट से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन नहीं है, बट मेरे क्रिप्टो से ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन है कि हम अपना क्रिप्टो करेंसी कैसे बना सकते हैं? हाउ वी मेक आवर क्रिप्टो करेंसी?
Bro, that's a technical question. That's a tech question, not finance question. For that, you need to know blockchain. You need to learn how to build your own blockchain. You need to learn how to build your own cryptocurrency. It is zero finance, only tech,
ओके।
right?
वाइट
But
पेपर
you don't
वाइट
do.
पेपर भी टेक नहीं, वाइट पेपर जो किसी भी कॉइन का वाइट पेपर बनता है वो भी टेक्निकल में आता है या फिर उसके लिए तो
वो भी
फंडामेंटल्स
टेक्निकल भी आता
मतलब?
है ना। व्हाइट पेपर क्या होता है? व्हाइट पेपर में तो डिस्कस करेगा ना कि व्हाट इज ब्लॉकचेन, हाउ डज माय ब्लॉकचेन वर्क, हाउ डज माय नोड्स फंक्शन।
वाइट पेपर एक आईपीओ के जैसे ही तो होता है कि कंपनी का एक आईपीओ है और
करेक्ट,
उसके बारे
करेक्ट।
में
तो
उसमें।
करेक्ट, सो योर टेक्नोलॉजी इज व्हाट? व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट योर टेक्नोलॉजी, व्हाट इज योर टेक्नोलॉजी?
ओके।
So you have to
ठीक है
give
सर, थैंक
introduction,
यू।
you have to give market, you should give what your problem you're solving, you have to talk about your blockchain, how is your blockchain different from other blockchains, what is your token economics, lot of things, bro. Lots of things.
और
It's not fairly
और
simple.
लास्ट लास्ट क्वेश्चन, क्रिप्टो में डेरिवेटिव्स, हाउ टू यूज डेरिवेटिव्स इन क्रिप्टो मार्केट्स?
How to use derivatives in crypto markets? Mm, I don't think derivatives have come so aggressively in the crypto market because you can literally buy the same thing right now, right? The reason why you buy derivatives or you buy something like a sugar or a stock derivative is because you can't go buy sugar like quite literally. You have to go to some mandi market and buy sugar and salt, right? So there's a derivative that trades on the commodity exchange. Whereas BTC, it's a direct product that trades on the commodity. In fact, BTC is like a derivative. if you actually think about it. Okay.
Okay, can we hedge our position in crypto markets like call and put options or
Yeah,
maybe?
invest 5%, you're automatically hedged. Put 95% in stocks and 5% in crypto. You're hedged fully for life.
Okay. And not just I am saying that कि हम जैसे अपना स्टॉक मार्केट में hedge कर लेते हैं बड़े बड़े hedge funds
No, I don't think so you can,
जो
man. I don't think so.
short selling basic
No, no, no,
concept
no.
is
I
short
don't think
selling.
so you can. I don't think so. There's an exchange that does short selling right now.
Okay.
Okay?
Oh, last question
Bro,
sorry last
बस
question
भाई मैं सो जाएगा इधर प्लीज मैं थक गया हूँ
नहीं बस एक बाइनेंस और उसका बस थोड़ा वो दे देते हैं बस विच ऐप वी प्रेफर मतलब कि लोग प्रेफर
मींस
कौन सी ऐप करनी चाहिए
किसका?
बिटकॉइन के क्रिप्टो के लिए विच ऐप मतलब कौन सी ऐप यूज करनी चाहिए बेस्ट ऐप मतलब आपकी एक वीडियो आने वाली थी वो आई नहीं है आई एम स्टिल वेटिंग
I am using all four exchanges right now, to be honest. I'm using literally all four exchanges, right? CoinSwitch, CoinDCX, Zeppay, WazirX. But now I'm using CoinDCX and CoinSwitch little bit more than Zeppay and WazirX because I don't like WazirX UI and Zeppay is little, like quite boring. But I use the others more. Okay. But
बाइनेंस
again,
what your take
sorry.
on Binance because Binance
I don't know. A lot of people are saying you can buy Binance, dude, from India. I have not seen how to buy it. I mean, you need an international credit card to buy it. I don't have international credit card. I have local SBI bloody card. So I can't buy it, dude. But Binance is a exchange wise, yes, Binance is brilliant. It's been there from so long. The coin is doing well. So yeah, Binance is definitely a good coin, if you ask me.
डू यू नो अबाउट कि हम चारों को मतलब जितने भी बाइनेंस एंड
एक
वजीरेक्स एंड कॉइन
extra
बीटीएस को
question पूछ
एक
रहे हैं अभी.
सॉरी
One
सॉरी
more
सॉरी
extra
सॉरी
question.
नो ओके फाइन नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल टेक
Next time. Chance
थैंक यू
आएगा.
सो
I'm here only. I'll keep coming. Don't worry.
थैंक यू सर थैंक यू सो मच सर इट्स प्लेजर टू कनेक्टेड विद यू
Thank you, man. But it's good that you are craving for so much knowledge. It is always a good sign. But I would say most of it, try Googling, right? Like, for example, your white paper question, you can Google. Definitely Google, right?
सर if I wanna work under I am literally joyful if there is any vacancy please contact me
I will definitely contact you. I will take out my time and definitely contact you. Okay? Thank you, Manav.
thank you so much it's pleasure to connected with you sir is the great day
Thank you, Manav.
thank you sir
Thank you.
Oh.
That was Manav, guys. Hope that was fun.
His questions were very technical also.
The questions were not bad. Questions were good. Like, very technical. So, good questions, Manav. But just too many questions, Manav.
Hello Shashank, how are you? I want to ask you that key. I had one stock in my portfolio that
First, you
KICOL.
tell me why your name is Biryani.
Yeah, it's like that only.
Matlab, you downloaded the app and at the same time you were hungry. And the
No, no,
app asked you what is your
no.
username.
I'm here for since long time. No, not that. I'm hearing
Yeah,
since.
whenever you joined, I'm only assuming why someone would come on the app and look at username and write biryani. Though, and not put a DP of a biryani. So the only reason is you were hungry when you logged into the app and they asked you for a thing and you said, yeah, let me biryani chahiye. Chal biryani dal deta hu. There's no other way I can think of. Why would you think of biryani? Out of all the things, why biryani?
Long story. We'll tell you some other day.
No patience today. Go ahead. What's your
Yeah.
question?
So I have one stock in my portfolio that is KICOL. So I want to ask कि उसका promoters का holding उसमें 90% है. It's like that. So should I gain 15% in that? So should I hold it?
कौन सा stock है ये?
KICOL
Okay, promoter holding is?
90%.
So why not? But no, how does it matter whether promoter holding is that your definition of I'm going to buy a stock because promoter holding is high?
No, it's I search कि is I don't know in the commodity sector you told ना कि it's gonna up. So yeah, that's for I
I
checked.
didn't say this.
So
Rakesh ji said commodity sector is going to go
yeah,
really well.
yeah.
Rakesh, देख तेरा सब बोल रहा है. People are saying I am telling all this. This is not right, huh?
Yeah, मतलब everyone is telling that like that.
Good boy, good boy. Everyone is better. Yeah. So Firstly, I don't know why that question has come up because I keep telling you that you should not look at just one thing when you're investing in the stock market. So if promoter holding is 90%, you're asking me is that a good sign or a bad sign? It is good sign, but I'm assuming that you have done enough research to understand that all the other things are also good,
Yeah, yeah,
right? Fundamentally. So if
yeah,
it's
yeah.
fundamentally good and promoter holding is 90%, then it's fine. बच्चे लोग it seems. Yeah, then it's fine. Okay, that way, look at it from that perspective.
Okay, okay.
ठीक है, even Rakesh ji is giving his Ashirwad to you.
Thank you.
5 problems, 1 solution. Buy Titan, it seems.
But KIOCL is not function. It's in Mangalore. I'm not sure if you're referring to the same Kudremukh Iron Ore Company Limited. If it's that, I don't think they're doing great as a company. It's their mines are not up. Their exports are not great. Because I had an internship like years ago, and it was very depressing to know their story. I don't know if they've had a turnaround. Need to check. Need to check.
But Kudremukh is a very good destination for tourism.
That yes, but KIOCL need to check.
Yeah, is it the same company? Is it Kudremukh?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, yeah, it's the same company. Yeah, so I hope the fundamentals you have checked. Like I'm assuming that you guys have learned enough to understand how to check whether a company is fundamentally good or fundamentally bad. That much I've taught you also.
Yeah. And how about the new companies? Means the new company Jubilant Ingrevia, the
Jubilant,
investment.
I'm doing my research this weekend. On weekends, reading is Jubilant only. कि ऐसा क्या चल रहा है? Why is everyone buying Jubilant? Why is everyone talking so much about Jubilant? Why is it going up so much? I don't know. I'm going to do there's a big article on Value Picker of Jubilant. So I'm going to do this weekend research is just Jubilant research. So let's
Okay,
see.
yeah, we'll check that then.
मेरे को भी नहीं पता boss. Even I'm confused as to why everyone's buying Jubilant.
Yeah, I had some in that also.
Yeah. So we'll read. Don't worry.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
that's it. That's it.
Hello. Thank you, boss. Bye. Okay, awesome, guys. I'm gonna take a leave. I think every question is done. Neeraj's
I
question
think
is
every
done, right?
question is done. Neeraj's Hi.
Question is done, right?
No, no, not yet.
Oh, you. Oh, okay. Tell me,
Hello.
Neeraj.
Yes.
Okay, tell me, Neeraj.
Hello. Thanks. First of all, thanks for letting me in, brother. And let's go. Let's get back to your question. You asked how did I bypass the app's boundaries to go out of India? I think
Yeah.
when Raj Samani and you had a session, and Raj Samani posted it on his stories, and he put a swipe up link, and I just swiped up there, and then I said somehow I ended up in my app store, and I had app there. But before that, I've been following you for more than a year, and I tried to search it on App Store. It wasn't there. Like I couldn't find it, but I did find it through that swipe up link, and then I just downloaded it. I was so happy to get it because you were doing all the market talks, and I was watching your stories and everything, but I wasn't able to access it, and that was a bit, I would say, sad for me. But when I got access, I just straight away joined in and been in the session for last, I would say, more than a week. And
Not bad,
thanks for
dude.
that. And next,
Not bad, dude.
somehow I got access. That's the bottom line.
Yeah.
And I don't have such question. Like I like what you say about the stock market, and I've been following you, and I've also invested in your small case. First of all, thanks for creating those small case. I wish you could create a bigger one, but what I did was I used your 30,000 small case, and I bought it 3 times, so I ended up at
That's
90,000.
a lot of money, then. But you're up 20,000.
Yeah, I ended up making good money. Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm
Nice.
still in it. And I'm always following when you do the rebalancing thing. I always do what you told to do, and I don't have much time. Like I have a job and I'm studying something. I don't have much time to go and find good stocks. So what I do is I always follow people like you, Rachana Ranade. You always talk about she's good, and I watch her videos, and that's what I've been following. And it's
Check
good
out
to
my
talk to you today.
recent video.
Thanks for
Check
that,
out
man.
my recent video, Capital Invest.
Yeah. I'm saving up now for that MIMT small case. I don't have enough money to, as you explained very well in the video, that if you have 200,000 rupees to put in it, go for a paid one. Otherwise, go for the free one. So I don't have that much money at the moment. So I'm trying to save it up. Maybe next couple of months, I would have enough money to go in it.
Yeah, I think that should be good,
Yeah,
man.
I
That is
think that should be good, man.
really
Purely
helps
helps
me a lot.
purely helps me
Because
a
I'm
lot.
invested in that. I
Sorry,
just
sorry.
recently.
I'm invested in that. I just recently.
I think there's an echo, man. I think
Hello,
there's an
I
echo.
think there's an echo, man. I think there's an echo. Oh, I don't know for some. Okay, wait, just give me 1 second. Let me get out of my car.
No, you just have to unmute when you speak, like mute when you don't speak.
Is there still an echo, Sasank? Can you hear me now?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can. I lost a bit in the between, I think.
Okay, just mute yourself when you're not talking. Yeah.
Okay. Yep. And yeah, so that's what I did, and just thank you for that. I don't have such particular question. And yeah, I would love talking to you again if you get me in again. Thank you.
Awesome. Thank you, Neeraj. That's always good and humbling to hear.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Awesome, guys. See you. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Oh, by the way, I think I'm coming back on the weekend, right?
You do.
Damn, my whole
Okay.
Sunday is gone, by the way. It's such a busy weekend. Um, what do I have on Sunday? I have India Hemp Organics. I did a mistake by saying Indian. I have India Hemp Organics #1, which is on Sunday on Shank Tank. So a lot of people who came to Shank Tank at that point, we did this one idea where we were talking about hemp, and a lot of people think it's weed and it's ganja, and I'm pretty sure I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's not that because India won't allow it. But again, it's interesting to understand different industries. That's also one industry that I don't understand. So I want to learn myself. So let's see how that thing works on Sunday. Okay. That is one. And then in the night on Sunday again at 10 o'clock, we have Digital Pratik, the pro in personal branding. So that is going to be a damn good episode as well. So we'll see both. So don't worry about that. It's going to be fun the way I see it. Yeah.
Shashank,
Yeah.
just one quick thing I wanted to share.
Yeah, bro.
It's I saw this on CNBC TV 18. I thought it would be interesting to everyone. So there is this thing report they came out with per vaccine, how much are the companies making? So buying price is 630. This is for Covishield. Storage is about 100. Average price consumer is 900. This is for Max Health. And jabs per day is 50,000. So quarterly profit for Max Health just from vaccines alone is 76 crore. Apollo is 162 crore and Fortis is 22 crore. That is because their pricing and jabs per day is different. I thought it would be interesting for people.
Very
So
interesting.
saw it on CNBC.
How many of them are listed? That's what we should more worry about.
All three are listed. Max, Fortis, and there's
But do
another.
you know that also offsets for their loss due to COVID? The general patient beds claiming a lot of. I
Yeah,
don't think they make like
that
I'm talking about traditional illnesses. Like
is
I would keep going to the hospital, doing a full body check, etc., etc. Now all that is not there. A lot of things are different.
yeah, very
Awesome. That's interesting. That's interesting, guys. Connect the dots. Okay. Awesome. Chalo. See you guys. Bye bye. I'm gonna step out now. Okay. Bye.
bye bye. Thank you.